This
is
how
to make
a
Manhattan.
a Manhattan.
Manhattan.
Manhattan cocktail, forget about it.
Manhattan cocktail is a stirred American whiskey.
Italian vermouth and some bitters.
It was a drink that was invented in the early 1870s.
The club called the Manhattan Club.
The Manhattan has taken a lot of turns throughout the years. There's no one true way how to do it, you know what I mean?
We serve our Manhattan with rum and it actually works really well.
If you want to use a Canadian rye whiskey, it's great, but the proportions, I'd say don't mess with them.
I take a lot of pride in this drink because I'm an actual New York bartender, you know what I mean?
We'll take some rye whiskey and then we put some house-made cherry brandy, and then we have some Italian vermouth.
Italian vermouth, 1.5 ounces. Just a 1/4 ounce of orange curacao. Use Grand Marnier, 3 dashes Angostura bitters.
So we got a good rum from Venezuela and we're gonna use a healthy pour of that. This is sweet vermouth. We add a little bit of Angostura bitters.
A blend of 3 rye whiskies. I'm going to use port instead. Probably naturally sweeter. It's fortified, so it still has an alcoholic kick. A little bit of 28 Hong Kong Street's house-made ancho chili style liqueur. Going to add a little bit of chocolate liqueur.
Rye whiskey, not Canadian, big 50 ml pour of that. Next up, some French sweet vermouth. I will cheekily throw in
3 dashes of Angostura bitter.
100 proof rye whiskey, 1.25 ounces.
Cherry liqueur.
And then we give it a nice stir.
Last but not least, just for a little bit of freshness, you know, nice fresh lemon twist.
Just going to garnish it with some orange.
We're gonna garnish it with a cherry.
It just adds a natural sweetness to the drink.
Cocktail means a lot to me.
There you go, the Manhattan.
Very nice.
It's like chocolate.
It's gonna knock your socks off.
Tastes like home, right?